scratched. What the heck?
Recording emergency video.
Get out, get out. Get out, get out.
Mierda, conche tu madre, weón.
So, oh, okay. You gotta let me go in, dude. It's not gonna. It's gonna go! It's not gonna go! It's not gonna go! It's not gonna go! Please do not hit me.
Did he hit you?
Yes, he did. Alright. 1 second.
Oh. What the heck? Whoa! Holy sugar.
Oh my. Oh yeah. That happened right in front of us.
Okay, let me,
Call police?
yeah, let me park and call 911. Okay, can you guys wait in the car?
Yes. Yes. I'm scared to be in a car now.
Okay, let me,
Yeah, can we go outside? I'm a bit scared of being in a car right now.
like your partner for. Imagine being with your partner and you're watching Netflix and you're fantasizing over some celebrity that's Korean or something. You're a fat white guy. We're walking out in London.
And his wife divorced, Ivana. He said, I inherited Trump, and Yilan inherited Ivana. And so you'll see Ivana in the house a lot, and you'll see Trump at the offices, but the twins never cross. They'll never meet. It was in Epstein's Manhattan office that Maria claims she had a disturbing encounter with the now president. First time I met him was the night before I started.
Don't be that.
Looks like we're going to be going south on MLK. So I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt. Got it there, got it there. Get roll over.
I can't see. Alright, look here. Down there. Hands up. Take your fucking